still talking about the new year. The truck market is constantly evolving from size and capability to efficiency and price. So today we're getting a closer look, a first look actually, at Motor Trend's 2026 Truck of the Year. And joining us to reveal the winner and share some of those helpful tips for shoppers is the head of editorial at Motor Trend, Ed Lowe.
So we're proud to announce that Motor Trend's 2026 Truck of the Year is the Ford Maverick. And what's important to know about Motor Trend's Truck of the Year award is that it has 6 key criteria. We look at value, safety, fuel efficiency, advancement in design, engineering excellence, and one we call performance of intended function, which is basically how well does a vehicle execute its mission, in this case, being a compact pickup truck. And against our awards criteria, the Ford Maverick absolutely nailed it. It's a beautifully designed vehicle, as you can see. It's also a great size, perfect fit for most of consumers, what they want today in a small pickup truck. There's a tremendous value play as well. Starts just under $29,000 for the base model. And then on the fuel efficiency front, incredible story there. For the front-wheel drive version, you can get up to 42 miles per gallon in the city. So for all those reasons and many more, the Ford Maverick is Motor Trend's 2026 Truck of the Year. So there are 2 trends that we're seeing right now in the truck market and basically in the vehicle market. One is the A word, affordability. You know, a lot of people are talking about how prices have risen across the board, and it's the same in the auto industry. And that's where the Maverick kind of comes in again, as we mentioned. It's just such a great value, starting under $29,000 and nicely equipped. You can get one, you know, in the $35,000 to $40,000 range. Has all the bells and whistles, great touchscreen display, all of the, you know, the phone connectivity you'd want, lots of room for 5 passengers. And then you have a bed in the back where you can put all your toys, you can tow your jet skis, you can take your mountain bikes in there. You know, it's the perfect size. These days, a lot of vehicles are getting bigger and bigger. You get a compact pickup truck at a great price. That's why we picked the Maverick, our Truck of the Year. So right now is the very best time of the year to shop for a new car because we're at the end of the year and car manufacturers and dealers are trying to get rid of their 2025 model year vehicles. So what I'd suggest is you go to a site like motortrend.com, do all the research, figure out what vehicle you want, take down, you know, the model name, the trim level ideally, and just go through the features that you're looking for. Do you want CarPlay? Do you want, you know, seat heaters? Do you want, you know, all of the floor mats? Just get down to the real, the nitty gritty and the details, and then go to your dealer and drive as many test drives as you have time for, because that's what's really most important, is getting behind the wheel and determining for yourself whether the vehicle fits your life, your lifestyle, and your needs. So for more information on which car to buy and how to buy it, as well as our 2026 Truck of the Year, the Ford Maverick, you can go to motortrend.com.